Hey everyone, Charting Man Dan from ChartGuys.com. You know, behind every single video that we put out every single day, there's a wonderful community of traders that we want to invite you to be a part of. Try the free 7-day trial and gain access to our live market broadcasts every morning and afternoon, interact with hundreds of like-minded traders, or take part in one of our dedicated chat rooms, each led by an analyst that's there to answer your questions in real time. Our trial is risk-free with absolutely no commitment or credit card required to experience the TCG community. For those looking for a head start in technical analysis, check out our entries and exits course in the link below in the description. Get up to speed with the fundamentals of TCG technical analysis and experience over 5 hours of great community-driven trading education. Looking at XLK, Apple, and Facebook on the daily weekly time frame. So the bulls hit higher highs. We had our triple top of resistance. We broke through that level and hit a new all-time high. Nice follow through for those bulls. The long lower wicks as they continue to buy the dip. And the tech sector continues to be on fire. So our new base of support is the low of this consolidation of 57.01. If we were to lose that level, it would indicate some short-term weakness. But as long as that level holds, the bulls are in absolute full control and looking to continue this move to all-time highs until we break a higher low pattern, which again has not happened. Once we do break a higher low pattern, we will also lose exponential moving average support, which has been holding since the Trump dump recovery began. And looking at the weekly time frame, bulls in full control. Look at the past 2 months. It's astounding the strength that this sector has. 7 green weeks, closes at the high of the week, 7 out of 8 weeks. And obviously we have to wait to see how tomorrow goes, but right now it is fitting in the pattern with those bulls in absolute full control. Apple on the daily time frame, still a bit of a laggard. We have these tech names continuously hitting new all-time highs, and Apple has yet to do so over the past 3-4 weeks. So where we have resistance is 155.98, and then 156.06, and then the all-time high 156.65. In terms of support, I'm just watching this middle Bollinger Band because the bulls did such a good job of holding that for 5 days in a row here. If we were to lose that, that'd be a short-term red flag. But as long as that holds, the bulls are holding up just fine. Again, the weekly chart is his ideal sideways consolidation. It's just compared to other names that we see the weakness and the laggard action. Other than that, if we were just looking at this as an individual chart, it is completely bullish, and we are looking for a new all-time high to follow through at some point in the near future. So again, all it takes from here, we're at 155. A 1% move to the upside is going to put us right on the doorstep of that all-time high. Facebook on the daily time frame, extremely strong close, and all day Facebook stood out as a lead tech bull just for today. And that was because we had names like Google, Amazon, Netflix, Apple, all in the red, and Facebook was in the green. And it stood out, and at the end of the day, it stood out again with a push to the high and just short of the all-time high. And we see the volume behind this move. Very clearly, the bulls were buying today, and we closed, let's see, 154.73. We did get a new all-time high by 2 pennies. So the bulls have full momentum here. We're looking up towards 155 psychological, and then all psychological resistances until 160. The Bollinger Bands have given enough expansion for room to the upside, and the weekly time frame shows that strength and follow through. After that bull flag pattern, we were looking for continuation, and we certainly got it, and we are still in that continuation part of this trend as the bulls are in full control. So tech sector all-time high, Facebook all-time high, Apple on the verge of all-time highs, and all those individual tech names certainly showing tons of strength. So we'll see how high we can go here, and until we break the higher low pattern, there is no reason to be looking to the downside. I appreciate you watching. We'll see you over the weekend. Have a great night.